Hello and welcome to the London Car Alarm Company. Today we've just done another Starline i96 on this really lovely Range Rover Sport hybrid. This is the product and this is how it works. There are three ways of disarming the system. You can either use a push sequence using buttons, you can use a Bluetooth tag, or you can pair your phone up. So I'm going to show you now when the system is immobilised. So if I turn on the ignition, try and start it, you see the vehicle won't start. And it will just switch off. So every time you jump in the vehicle now, I'll show you one way of disarming. So the first way of disarming it is a push sequence. So ignition on, insert your code, 1, 2, 3, 4, receive a melody, there you go, start your vehicle. The second way of disarming is using a Starline tag. So all you then do is ignition on, receive a melody and just start it. This is the one I prefer. I think it's a lot nicer. And the third way of disarming the i96 is by using Authorization Tag, i.e. a smartphone. So what we've done is we've paired up this as a tag, showing us a green band around the outside. So that means every time we jump in the vehicle, turn the ignition on, there you go, seen it straight away, and you start the vehicle. Also, to pair up new buttons, this is also straightforward. You need to have a tag or you need to know the disarm code. So what we're going to do is we're going to use the smartphone as a tag to disarm the system. There you go. Then we're going to hit this 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ignition off, ignition on. We've just received 5 bleeps. We're now in learn mode. So we're going to select new buttons. We're going to go 1, 1, 2, 3. We're going to get a melody. Repeat the same code again. 1, 1, 2, 3. If it's exactly the same code as the first, it's going to give us a melody again, and the code will be learnt. So now if we turn it off, turn off the actual pairing on the phone. So if we go to Bluetooth, turn off the Bluetooth. So Bluetooth is off, turn on the ignition. So let's try a new code. 1, 1, 2, 3. System with the new codes learnt. Start your vehicle. Very clever, very straightforward. Also, when you take the car for a service and you don't want to actually give them the phone, you can actually place it in Valet Mode. And the way you place it in Valet Mode, if you go onto the app, you push and hold it while it's green. Wait till it goes amber, release, you'll get 2 double bleeps and that'll be in Valet Mode. When you get the vehicle back, push and hold again till it goes green. Get 2 bleeps and now it's in Valet Mode. Hope you found this video helpful. My name's Otto, company's called London Car Alarm Company. Number to me is 028 906 0478. 028 906 0478. Thank you, bye bye.